Hello children, I am Captain R.J. Pandey from Indian Navy. Instructional duties for Sailor Training Institute and Officers Training Institute like Naval Academy and NDA. I did my psychological course from DIPR New Delhi and got chance to assess the children for NDA and CDS officers level entry. I joined Sainik School as a principal at Sujanpur Tira, Himachal Pradesh. And there three different assessors assess your qualities with three different methods. We call it psychology, group testing and interview. In Hindi, if you understand, Mansa, Karma and Vacha. And boys are doing pretty well. After that, I have to take premature retirement. Next year onwards, strength rose to 15 to 18 and we got Raksha Mantri trophy for this purpose. Hello children, I am Captain R.J. Pandey from Indian Navy. I am basically a postgraduate in mathematics and got commissioned in Indian Navy in 1983. I basically joined education branch and my basic duties were instructional duties for Sailor Training Institute and Officers Training Institute like Naval Academy and NDA. Later on we specialized in different long courses and go for staff appointments at headquarters level and other duties. So basically, because of my nature of branch, I have been actively involved in training and motivational classes for my sailors and officers. During my tenures in training establishment for the sailors and officers, definitely I came across so many sailors who were deserving candidate for the officers, but somehow due to circumstances they have to join as a sailor. But later on, with their efforts from the instructor side and their own efforts, they made it to officer cadre. And definitely our role was very important in that. We used to give some separate time for those sailors, and today they are doing pretty well in the service. They have been to Commodore and Admiral rank in their service. So it is a matter of pride for us as an instructor that my students are doing pretty well in service as well as outside. So, and for officers, definitely for young officers, it's always learning. As a young officer, you get lot of exposures from your seniors, from your instructors, from your environment to learn. Basically, the students like you coming from the rural and city background, where parents are not that qualified and working in higher echelon, but definitely with the good environment, good people around you, you learn, you get motivated to do well. So I hope that you will definitely learn something from us also, from your environment also at Defence Warrior Academy, and do well in your days to come. Thereafter, at senior level, I have done my staff appointment at headquarters and naval headquarters level. I did my psychological course from DIPR New Delhi and got chance to assess the children for NDA and CDS officers level entry. My exposure to selection board is quite rich, and about 20 to 25 batches I have assessed and trained. After my staff appointment at headquarters level, I was selected to be a principal at Sainik School. I joined Sainik School as a principal at Sujanpur Tira, Himachal Pradesh. That appointment at Sainik School Sujanpur Tira has been really satisfying, and when I joined there in 2003, the average selection of the candidates for National Defence Academy was 8 to 10. I feel very proud to convey this, that next year onwards his strength rose to 15 to 18 and we got Raksha Mantri trophy for this purpose. And this was done due to excessive training, excessive motivation and the help of the same instructors who used to be there in the school earlier. I consider you very fortunate that you have selected Defence Forces as a career and come to this Defence Warrior Academy to better nurture it. We being at Defence Academy, Warrior Academy, assure you of a good academic and motivational training. Basically, I will be covering my psychological part of SSB. Each candidate is assessed for his officer-like qualities. In detail, we'll be talking to you later on. But the basic requirement to come to this level is your entrance test, maybe Naval Defence Academy test or Combined Defence Services and other sources written test for officer's entry. Secondly, your personality test that is done at service selection boards, and there it's your behavior, your officer-like qualities, basically a good qualities, honest approach is seen, is tested, and there 3 different assessors assess your qualities with 3 different methods. We call it psychology, group testing and interview. In Hindi, if you understand, Mansa, Karma and Vacha. All these 3 evaluators evaluate independently, separately. And later, we all get together in conference to combine the assessment and finally review the result and select the professional potential candidate for the further training. In that, you are at younger age, we see the trainability part also. Not necessarily you have to be very smart in the beginning itself, but we see that how far you can be trained in under 4 years at Naval Academy, at National Defence Academy, at Air Force Academy. So with this, I wish you all the best and again say that you have come to a better place for your further training to become an officer in the services. Thank you.